Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook story problem. So first, all you need to do right here is to make sure that your Facebook is up to date. So go here on your Google Play Store and go to Facebook app, and just all you need to do right here is just tap on this update button. The next step on how you can fix this problem is to check your internet connection. For example, if you are using Wi-Fi connection, you can try to use data connection if that is the problem. Now the third method right here is go to home screen, tap and hold, and go to app info. And from here, as you can see on your screen on app info, tap on storage, and all you need to do right here is clear the cache. Now once you've cleared the cache, go back to app info and go to app permissions. And here on app permissions, all you need to do is just to allow all this permission so you can use all of the feature in Facebook. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.